Viaz Tyres Limited IPO worth Rs. 20.00 crore, comprises entirely of a fresh issue of the IPO amount. The total SME IPO of Viaz Tyres Limited entails the issue of 32.26 lakh shares at a price of 62 rupees per share aggregating to 20 crore rupees. The stock has a face value of 10 rupees and bidders can only bid in minimum lot size of 2000 share each, entailing a minimum investment of 124,000 rupees in the IPO. That is also the maximum that a retail investor can apply for in the IPO. In the case of NEES investors, they can bid for a minimum 2 lots of 4,000 shares entailing a minimum investment of 248,000 rupees. As per the terms of the offer, 50% of the net offer is reserved for the retail investors and the balance 50% for NEES investors. It is a fixed price issue and Sunflower Broking Private Limited will act as the market maker for the SME IPO of Viaz Tyres Limited. The issue opens for subscription on the 16th of February 2023 and closes for subscription on the 21st of February 2023, both days inclusive. The basis of allotment will be finalized on the 24th of February 2023 and the refunds will be initiated on the 27th of February 2023. In addition, the demat credits are expected to happen on the 28th of February 2023 and the stock is scheduled to list on 1 St. March 2023 on the NSE SME segment. This is the segment, in contrast to the main board, where IPOs of small and medium enterprises SMEs are incubated. The grey market price GMP trading normally starts about 3 to 4 days prior to IPO opening and continues till the listing date. In the case of Viaz Tyres Limited, we already have GMP data, which should give a reasonable picture of the likely listing. There are 2 factors that impact the GMP. Firstly, the market conditions have a deep impact on the GMP, especially the liquidity conditions in the market. Secondly, the extent of subscription for the IPO has a deep impact on the GMP as it is indicative of investor interest in the stock. GMP can also technically be in negative, which means the stock would list at a discount to the issue price. There is one small point to remember here. The GMP is not an official price point, just a popular informal price point. However, in most cases, it has been observed to be a good informal gauge of demand and supply for the IPO. Hence it does give a broad idea of how the listing is likely to be and how the post-listing performance of the stock would be. GMP tends to be a good mirror of the real stock story. More than the actual price, it is the GMP trend over time that gives insights about which direction the wind is blowing. Here is a quick GMP summary for Viaz Tyres Limited. Data is available. Date GMP the 13th of February 2023 -6 rupees the 12th of